Okay, so the last problem we were doing with the X chart, that is X bar chart, we had this problem. So as I told you, in the problem we have both the questions, that is construct both X and R chart from the following data. So as we did X chart, which has A2, D3 and D4, this problem has all these values. So as we did X chart, as I told you, this was the calculation for LC, UCL, LCL and all. Okay, so this is the X chart what we have read with, and this is the comment what we did. So the next comes is R chart for the same question. I have written only the R part and the number of samples part. Okay, so now the calculation for the R is R bar is equals to summation R bar. So this all you need to add up. So here you will be getting 26. Okay, so summation R divided by n, 26 divided by n. So sorry, this is 10. I missed that. This is 10. Okay, so 26 divided by 10. Okay, so it is 2.6. So for UCL for R bar chart is D for R bar. As I told you, D4 and D3 will be in R chart. So D4 into R bar. So D4 we know that it is 2 and D3 is 0. So D4 into R bar, that is 2 into 2.6, we get 5.2 as upper control limit, and LCL lower control limit is D3 R bar, so 0 into 2.6 is 0. So the control line, as I told you, it is R bar, it is 2.6. So now we need to draw the graph. Take the graph sheet as usual. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So scale x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and y-axis is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So now start plotting the samples. This is the samples here. Okay, so for one sample number 1 it is 3. So 1 and it is 3, and for 2 it is 2. For 2 it is 2, 3 it is 2, 4 it is 3, and 5 is 2. 6 is 4, 7 is 3, 8 is 2, 9 is 2, and 10 is 3. Okay, so when you do these things, you just join those as I told you in X chart. Okay, so join these all. So whichever is inside the control lines are called control. Okay, so before that you had to draw this, right? So UCL is 5.2 and LCL, as I told you, it is, so LCL I told it is 0, so 0 line you can, it is already there, so you mark it as LCL. UCL and CL is 2.5, right? 2.6. Okay, so marking these line, then you can plot the graph. So these all point you can see here are under control. Why? Because they have not crossed UCL and they have not crossed LCL. They are within these three lines, so these are called as, so all samples are under control. This comment of this graph is all samples are under control. So this is called as R chart. Okay, so X chart and R chart for the same problem, that is for same sample, but R is different and X will be different, right? I guess you have all understood. If something you have not understood, kindly ping me so that I can really help you out with that. Thank you.